angry crocodile. Hey kids, let's make a crocodile to play. Take the given pastel sheet and fold it from the center. Draw body of the crocodile and cut it as shown in the picture. Now, cut it diagonally from the top at intervals as shown in the picture. Fold the paper towards the front as shown in the picture. Paste the eye. Draw face and feet of the crocodile as shown. The crocodile is ready.